In today's rapidly evolving world, the pace of technological advancement is accelerating at an unprecedented rate. From artificial intelligence and robotics to biotechnology and quantum computing, the future is brimming with exciting possibilities. Hello viewers, and welcome to our exploration of the technology of tomorrow, where we dive into the world of futuristic inventions and innovations. Join us as we uncover the latest breakthroughs and mind-bending concepts that are shaping the future of technology. Introduction to future technologies. The future promises to be a golden age of innovation, with technologies that were once confined to science fiction becoming a reality. These advancements have the potential to revolutionize every aspect of our lives, from how we work and communicate to how we travel and explore the universe. One of the most exciting aspects of future technologies is their ability to solve complex problems and improve the quality of life for people around the world. Artificial intelligence and machine learning advancements. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning are at the forefront of technological innovation. These technologies are enabling computers to perform tasks that were once thought to be exclusively human, such as recognizing patterns, making decisions, and even learning from experience. AI and machine learning are already being used in a variety of applications, from autonomous vehicles to medical diagnostics, and their impact is only expected to grow in the future. As these technologies continue to advance, they have the potential to revolutionize industries ranging from healthcare to finance, making businesses more efficient and improving the lives of people around the world. Robotics and automation in tomorrow's world. Advances in robotics and automation are transforming industries ranging from manufacturing to healthcare. Robots are becoming increasingly capable of performing complex tasks with precision and efficiency, leading to improvements in productivity and safety. In the future, robots are expected to play an even greater role in our lives. From assisting with household chores to performing delicate surgeries, the field of robotics is also advancing rapidly, with researchers developing robots that can learn from their experiences and adapt to new situations, making them more versatile and useful in a variety of settings. Biotechnology and genetic engineering breakthroughs. Biotechnology and genetic engineering are unlocking new possibilities in healthcare, agriculture, and beyond. Scientists are developing new treatments for diseases, creating genetically modified crops that are more resilient and nutritious, and even exploring the possibility of creating synthetic life forms. These advancements have the potential to revolutionize medicine, agriculture, and the environment. For example, biotechnology is being used to develop new therapies for cancer and other diseases, while genetic engineering is helping to create crops that can withstand droughts and pests, reducing the need for harmful pesticides and increasing food security. Quantum computing and its implications. Quantum computing is poised to revolutionize the field of computing, enabling computers to perform calculations at speeds that are inconceivable with today's technology. Quantum computers have the potential to solve complex problems that are beyond the capabilities of classical computers, leading to breakthroughs in fields such as cryptography, materials science, and artificial intelligence. In the future, quantum computers could be used to simulate complex systems, such as the behavior of molecules in drugs, leading to the development of new and more effective medications. They could also be used to optimize supply chains, predict market trends, and revolutionize the way we do business. Space exploration and future colonization. The future of space exploration is bright, with plans to return to the moon, explore Mars, and even establish colonies on other planets. Advances in space technology are making it increasingly feasible to explore and colonize space, opening up new opportunities for scientific discovery and human exploration. In the future, space exploration could lead to new technologies and innovations that benefit life on Earth, such as advanced materials, renewable energy sources, and new medical treatments. Colonizing other planets could also help ensure the survival of humanity in the event of a global catastrophe, making space exploration an essential endeavor for the future of our species. Nanotechnology. Small tech, big impact. Nanotechnology is the science of manipulating matter at the atomic and molecular scale. This technology has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of fields, from medicine to electronics. Nanomaterials are already being used in everything from lightweight, strong materials to targeted drug delivery systems, and their impact is only expected to grow in the future. For example, nanotechnology could be used to develop new cancer treatments that target tumors with unprecedented precision. reducing the side effects associated with traditional chemotherapy. The advancement of nanotechnology has the potential to bring about transformative changes across various industries. One of the most exciting prospects is the development of new materials that are stronger, lighter, and more durable than anything currently available. These materials could revolutionize industries such as aerospace, automotive, and construction. In the aerospace industry, for example, nanotechnology could lead to the development of aircraft that are lighter, more fuel efficient, and able to withstand extreme conditions. This could result in significant cost savings for airlines and a reduction in carbon emissions. In the automotive industry, nanotechnology could lead to the development of vehicles that are lighter, more fuel efficient, and safer. Nanomaterials could be used to create stronger and lighter car bodies, leading to improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. Additionally, nanotechnology could be used to develop more efficient batteries for electric vehicles, leading to longer driving ranges and faster charging times. Sustainable energy solutions for the future. The future of energy is green, with advancements in renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. These technologies are becoming increasingly cost-effective and efficient, making it possible to transition away from fossil fuels and reduce our impact on the environment. In the future, sustainable energy solutions could help address the dual challenges of climate change and energy security, ensuring a brighter future for generations to come. For example, advancements in solar energy could lead to the development of solar panels that are more efficient and affordable, making it possible to generate clean, renewable energy on a massive scale. Augmented and virtual reality, changing how we see the world. Augmented and virtual reality are transforming how we interact with the world around us. These technologies are being used in everything from gaming and entertainment to healthcare and education, and their potential applications are virtually limitless. In the future, augmented reality could be used to create immersive learning experiences that help students visualize complex concepts or to provide real-time guidance for complex tasks, such as surgery. Virtual reality could be used to create virtual worlds that are indistinguishable from reality, opening up new possibilities for entertainment, communication, and collaboration. Transportation innovations, from Hyperloop to flying cars. The future of transportation is fast approaching, with innovations such as the Hyperloop promising to revolutionize long-distance travel. Flying cars, once a staple of science fiction, are also becoming a reality, with prototypes already in development. These advancements have the potential to make transportation faster, safer, and more efficient than ever before. For example, the Hyperloop could reduce travel times between cities from hours to minutes, making it possible to live and work in different cities with ease. Flying cars could alleviate traffic congestion and reduce emissions, making transportation more sustainable and environmentally friendly. Health and medicine. Transforming healthcare with technology. Advances in technology are transforming healthcare, with new treatments and therapies that were once thought to be impossible now becoming a reality. From personalized medicine to wearable health monitors, these advancements are improving patient outcomes and revolutionizing the field of medicine. In the future, technology could enable doctors to diagnose diseases earlier, prescribe more effective treatments, and provide personalized care tailored to each patient's unique genetic makeup and lifestyle. For example, wearable devices could monitor vital signs in real time, alerting patients and healthcare providers to potential health issues before they become serious. Environmental technologies, protecting our planet for tomorrow. Finally, advancements in environmental technology are helping to protect our planet for future generations. From pollution-eating bacteria to carbon capture and storage technologies, these innovations are helping to mitigate the impact of climate change and preserve our natural resources. In the future, environmental technologies could help us achieve a more sustainable way of life, enabling us to live in harmony with the planet while meeting our needs for food, water, and energy. In conclusion, the future is bright with possibilities, thanks to the rapid pace of technological advancement. From artificial intelligence and robotics to biotechnology and quantum computing, the technologies of tomorrow promised to revolutionize every aspect of our lives. By embracing these advancements and harnessing their potential for good, we can create a brighter, more sustainable future for all of humanity. The technology of tomorrow holds endless possibilities, from transforming our cities to exploring new frontiers in space. Join us on this journey into the future, where innovation knows no limits. Stay tuned for more exciting updates on the latest in futuristic inventions and innovations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on the technology of tomorrow. Until next time, keep dreaming of a brighter future.